are down in Christchurch for Christmas and we're going to go check out Washpen Falls, just outside Darfield. It is situated on private land, so you have to pay to go in. It's a walk I've been meaning to do for a while. It's a 2-hour walk, about 3 to 4 kilometres, so should be good for the kids. So let's go check it out. Hi, I'm Emily and I run Emily in NZ, posting about living, working and exploring New Zealand. Hit subscribe to see our latest videos and have a look through the videos that I've done already. Let's go check it out. It's a very beautiful drive on a long, flat road heading out on State Highway 77. Then there's the short gravel track which enters the private property at the start of the track. Parking up and heading to the office where there's an honesty box at $10 per adult and $5 per child. Today there was someone there to help us show the route, and if you haven't got any cash they do accept bank transfer, but they don't take credit cards or EFTPOS. Looks like we're heading up there. Oh dear, that's not the best start. She doesn't want to walk. Let's take it one step at a time.
It's up that hill.
Where is? Up that hill? Where are we going?
To the community tower.
The communications tower?
Yeah.
At the top? You doing good climbing?
Yeah.
Here come the slow coaches going at Tilly's pace. That was a quick refueling chocolate stop. Let's keep moving. How are we going to get over it?
I don't know.
This is the Washpen Falls track. This isn't Washpen Falls, this is just a waterfall on the way. It's a bit challenging, but it's a pretty good track. 2 hours loop, we've been going for about an hour, so let's see how long it takes. The variety of the track was really good. 1 minute you're in a rainforest, the next minute you're in these rock formations. Next thing you're outside in a hot scorching field. It really was good variety. This cave was a cool place to have lunch. And now we've popped out at the top. What a clear day to get a gorgeous view of the Canterbury Plains. This is Washpen Falls. Great for a paddle, but I'm sure if the children were a bit bigger we could go for a swim. After a short descent, we found this building. It was pretty cool. Looks like they're setting themselves up for venues. It was a great place to stop for lunch, and it's interesting to read a little bit about the history of the area on this land. now we're back to the bridge where we started. I do like a good loop track. Wow, that was pretty awesome. I'd highly recommend Washpen Falls as an explore. Well worth the $20. The kids had a great time. We met a few people on the track, as you can hear, and it was really good exploring. I highly recommend Washpen Falls over in Christchurch on the way out on the West Coast Road. Thank you for watching. I run Emily in NZ, so hit subscribe to see our latest adventures or have a look through for my previous videos. I'll see you in my next video.